Okay, I'm back. I had some resin left over, and I did that on purpose so I would be able to make a couple of little feather coasters. So, don't know how many I'm going to get out of this resin, but I've got 8 of them painted black. Okay. And I'm going to remind anybody who's watching this and didn't see the live, there's a link below this video. When I post it, you'll see the link for the live that this is from, that these colors are from. Anyway, you can share my videos between now and the 7th with the hashtag DFD 500, because I'm almost to 500. Hey, you never know. If you guys share enough, you might get me to 1,000, which would be so nice. But I'm going to have a drawing on May 7th, which is a week from today. It's going to be next Tuesday. And I'm going to be drawing 5 names for 5 clocks. They're record albums, okay? And so hopefully you guys share, and I know it'll get me to 500, but I had some other help with that too. I mean, well, I've been told I have a good personality, and I'm so you know, cheerful and centered and whatnot. Hey, I just love playing with resin, okay? I love doing different things with the resin. Okay. Let me pop some air bubbles. Oh, shoot. Okay, now let me get my chain. Oh, I bent a fingernail backwards. Okay, let me get a chain. I don't need a big chain, so I'm going to try to do a small feather on this. And just as I thought. So you know what I'm going to do? Probably what I should have done on the big one. I am going to cut some string. I had a lady named Ramona tell me I should have used string. Okay, no problem. I'm doing it now. So if you're watching this, Ramona, thank you for the suggestion. Come on, cut. There we go. So, okay, let's see how the string does. Doesn't really look that much darker. So, let me try the string in the other color, and if it doesn't work, then I'm going to say that this is a big fail, and I will just make some designs with the other colors on here. Okay, well, that came out more like a feather, but you know what? Okay, I give up. So I'm going to try something else. I don't know if it's going to work, But I'm going to put the resin down and then pull a string up through it. See if that makes a feather. I don't know if that's going to work, but we will find out together, won't we? Okay. There's my string. Well, kinda, sorta. I don't know. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. I am going to give up on a string pull with these colors, and I'm just going to blow it out and try to get some cells. How's that? I got 4 more coasters, and I'll do the other colors on this. Just blowing the air bubbles, getting rid of those. Okay. This way. And this way. Come on. See, coasters, you don't really have to do any intricate design on it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna leave those the way they are. I'm not gonna try to do anything else. You do want to go underneath and wipe off all your bubbles. I've got 4 more black coasters over here, and I've got more resin left, so you're getting a nice long video after the live video today. And I wasn't thinking right. And it was so funny. I went to go start this recording, and I hadn't turned off the live yet. So the live was still going while I was putting my painting away. Okay, and somebody noticed it. Thank you, Jen. My phone's off while I do my recording, so if you've texted me, I don't know yet. And I wouldn't be surprised if you did text me and tell me, what'd you do? What'd you do? Okay, let me clean off my gloves. And bring 4 more coasters over. And then whatever's left after that will go into shot glasses. Yeah, this is still workable. That's what I like about art resin. I've been using this stuff now for almost an hour. Almost an hour. So this is very, very workable resin. It's heat resistant. It's UV resistant. Okay, let me get the last of this black out of here. I might have to steal some black from one of the other ones, but that's what happens when you get to the end of your cup. Okay, I'm just going to spread this out so I have some resin on here. See, and I'm just gonna let some of it come off because I do have a lot on here compared to the other ones. Okay, there's that one. Because you want to make sure you got a coating of resin all over the whole, whatever you're pouring your resin on. You want a thin layer of some kind of resin down there, because resin won't slide as easy. See, I have to push it right here because it's a dry piece. But now the colors I put on there will look better. Will move around better, I mean. So anyway, don't forget, share my videos. DFD500 is the hashtag. I will look for it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And let me put the darker stuff down this time. Try something a little bit different than the other ones. Okay. See, it's not even hot in the cup yet. I'm sure it'll get hot here in a little bit. These two colors, one is the Okinawa blue and one is the Okinawa green, and they look so close in color on the black. It's hard to tell them apart. I think that was the green I just put down. And this is the Baby Blue by HB Oils. Okay, now I'm going to manipulate this resin. Now make sure you're getting rid of all the air bubbles before you go moving it around. Oh, I thought that was a dry spot. That's a blue! Okay, there we go. Okay, I am going to call these done. Rest of it's going to go into the molds. You want to wipe your bottom edge. Well, you want to wipe your bottom too. I'm sorry. It's been a long day. And then you can put it down. And I gotta hurry up because the other ones are shifting a little bit, so I gotta get that in the rack. So, this is what you do with your leftover resin. And if you ever go to an art show or a craft show of any kind, take all these with you. Just put them out on the table at $5 a piece, and you will probably make your booth fee for whatever you're being charged that weekend, or might even make your hotel room if you're out of town. And because I have heard of people doing that before. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, share my videos, hashtag DFD design, DFD 500, I'm sorry, DFD 500. And on May 7th, during my live, I will draw 5 names from those hashtag people, and I will be giving away 5 different clocks, okay? So, thank y'all for watching. Oops, I didn't realize I dropped my chain down. Oh, I got resin on my carpet. Oh well, not that big a deal. Want to thank y'all for watching. I appreciate all the support I'm getting. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Love the resin. Sorry. I'm trying to get everything moved so I can get into my chair. I love the resin right out of you guys. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.